Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a framework that I've created recently, and it's called the Reinvention Playbook. This playbook is for all those people who are going through a disruption in their lives. It could be a career disruption like a job loss or a toxic workplace, or it could be something personal in your home, like it could be something to do with your marriage, it could be something to do with somebody taking advantage of you, or it could be a personal loss in some way. But any disruption which is making you feel overwhelmed inside is where you can use this framework. And the reason that I have created this framework is because I have reinvented my life multiple times, and I realized that it's a learnable skill. It is not something that you will be inspired by, or it'll just magically come to you. It may at various times in your life, but you have to grapple and fight and figure it out. But this framework will tell you whether you are on the path to redirecting your life in a positive way. So this framework has a pause, a pivot, and a propel. The details you'll find in my LinkedIn article. But just briefly, the pause really is about doing nothing for 48 hours, just breathing in, slowing it down, and defining the emotion. Then we have the pivot. Pivot is really about finding the new direction, finding where you are getting interested in, and retiring an old habit. So it's got micro steps within it. And the last is propel, where you create a momentum in this new direction so that it becomes a habit and you can continue doing it. So it's kind of a process, and you can go back and forth in this, but it's a beautiful process, and you can actually do it on your own, or you can take a coach who can guide you and help you through it. So take a look, explore this on my website, explore it in my featured section in LinkedIn. Thank you, everyone.